Hey Jake, I was trying to get a parking permit at work today, and oh my gosh, the paperwork was endless.
Ah, sounds like you ran into some good old bureaucracy.
Exactly, that's actually a great word, bureaucracy. I hear it a lot, but what does it really mean?
It basically means a complicated system of rules and procedures, especially in government or big companies. You know, when everything needs 5 forms and 3 approvals.
Right, like when you just want a new office chair, but you have to fill out a request, get your manager's signature, then wait for someone in another department to approve it.
Exactly, the word actually comes from French. Bureau means desk and cracy means rule or power. So it's like rule by desks, literally people ruling through paperwork.
That makes so much sense. And it definitely feels like desks are in charge sometimes.
Yeah, and we usually use it in a slightly negative way. Like, there's too much bureaucracy in this company, meaning too many rules and not enough action.
I've even heard people say, I hate dealing with bureaucracy, when they're frustrated with government offices or HR departments.
Totally, it's an informal but very common word, especially among office workers or anyone who's had to file official documents.
So to sum it up, bureaucracy means those slow, complicated systems of paperwork that make things harder than they need to be.
Exactly, and if you ever hear someone say, let's cut the bureaucracy, they mean, let's make things simpler.
Perfect. Now if only my office could do that with their parking permits.